My brother lived in San Francisco. He said he finally found his place. And when I go to San Francisco, everywhere I look, I see his face. But an I faced childhood under stark Montana skies, and Bud, he seemed to always have cities in his eyes. He longed for possibilities. He lived to move away, and he finally found his dream in the city by the bay. Joe and I were best of friends in our small-time college town, and Joe had personality. What a campus clown. His jokes hit deeper rivers that bubbled far below, and he rode the current west where the rapid waters flow. Oh, lots of us have brothers there who would love to show the sights and share the